How to download and install Blender on Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, click the Start button in the taskbar and search for Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, then click the search bar at the top and type Blender. From the search results, select Blender. Make sure the publisher is Blender Foundation so you're downloading the official application. Now, click Get to download. And install Blender on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Wait a moment while Windows downloads and installs the application. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the Get button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Blender. If Blender shows a quick setup screen, follow the on-screen instructions and click Continue when you're ready. That's it. Blender is now installed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, and you can start creating your first 3D project. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.